Hey, if you've been putting in the hours, reading the notes, maybe even highlighting half the textbook, but your grades still don't reflect the effort, this video is for you. Because sometimes it's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. And today, I want to show you 7 study habits that might be quietly ruining your grades and exactly what you can do instead. Let's go. 1. Studying without a plan. Let's be real. A lot of us just sit down, open the book, and think, okay, time to study. No clear goal, no direction, just vibes. But here's the thing. When you study without a plan, you waste mental energy figuring out what to do while doing it. It's like trying to cook dinner without knowing what you're making. What to do instead? Spend 5 minutes before each study session creating a mini plan. Just write down 2 to 3 specific things you want to get done. For example, review Chapter 5 summary. Practice 10 problems. Quiz myself on key terms. That's it. You'll stay focused and your brain knows what it's aiming for. 2. Highlighting everything. Highlighters are satisfying. I get it. It feels like you're being productive. But if you're highlighting full paragraphs, whole pages, or everything that seems important, you're not actually learning. You're just coloring. What to do instead? Use the read, close, recall method. Read a small section. Close the book. Say or write down what you remember. This forces your brain to work, and that's what helps you remember things long term. Highlighting is easy. Remembering is not. But remembering is what gets you better grades. 3. Rereading notes over and over. We all do this. You sit down, open your notes, and just reread them. Again and again. It feels familiar, so we think we're learning. But it's actually a trick. Familiarity is not the same as understanding. What to do instead? Turn your notes into questions. Instead of just reading, quiz yourself. Use flashcards, or even teach the concept to your pet, your plant, or your ceiling. If you can explain it simply, you understand it deeply. 4. Studying for long hours without breaks. Marathon mode. That's what I used to call it. Studying for 4 or 5 hours straight, thinking, I'm being productive. But let's be honest. After the first hour, your brain is fried. The last 3 hours? Zombie mode. What to do instead? Use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused study. 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. It sounds simple, but it works. Your brain needs breaks to process and store information. 5. Multitasking while studying. Let me guess. You're studying with YouTube in the background, maybe replying to texts between flashcards, or checking TikTok every 10 minutes. I've been there too. But multitasking is a myth. Your brain isn't doing 2 things at once. It's just switching rapidly. And every switch makes you slower, less focused, and more tired. What to do instead? Put your phone in another room, or at least on Do Not Disturb. Use a focus app like Forest or Freedom if you need help staying off social media. Create a short, focused session. Then reward yourself with 10 guilt-free minutes of whatever you love. Distraction-free study is 3x more effective. Seriously. 6. Starting with the easy stuff. It feels good to check things off, so we often start with the easy topics. But by the time we get to the hard stuff, we're already mentally tired, so we procrastinate. Again, what to do instead? Flip it. Start your session with your hardest subject while your brain is fresh. Even just 20 focused minutes on that one topic can make a huge difference. You can finish up with easier things and feel like a boss. 7. Studying alone all the time. Studying alone can be peaceful, but if that's all you ever do, you miss out on one of the best learning tools, talking it out. Sometimes just hearing someone explain something differently makes it finally click. What to do instead? Find a study buddy, join a group chat, do a 15-minute Zoom call to quiz each other. Even teaching someone else what you've learned is one of the most powerful ways to lock in information. You don't have to do it all the time. But sometimes, just talking about the topic helps you see it from a new angle. So if your grades haven't been reflecting your effort, don't beat yourself up. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you're not smart enough. Sometimes, it's just a few small habits quietly holding you back. But the good news is, you can fix them. Starting today, 1 habit at a time, 1 study session at a time. If this helped, let me know which habit you're going to break first or which tip hit home for you. Drop it in the comments. And if you want more simple, honest advice like this, you know what to do. like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep going. You've got this.